Hello friends, today's in this video I am going to show you how you can use triggers in Go high level software. So what are triggers? Triggers are basically the automation which you can use in Go high level software. Those are the if and else conditions which you can use. Means if this condition is applied then that action will happen like that. So first of all you have to log in into the Go high level dashboard and search for the triggers option. And here you will get lots of pre-built triggers. When you import the snapshots, you will get pre-built triggers. But in this video, I am going to create new triggers for you. See, so here it says triggers showing all rules based on any condition that will fire any action. Means based on any condition that will fire a certain action. So there are two options here. First is called new folder and second is called add trigger. So you can create folders here. So let's create one folder. And let's also create a second folder. And after creating folders you can move these triggers on them. Suppose I want to move these triggers in the first folder, then I can do it. Folders are basically useful when you have lots of triggers and you want to organize them. You can create multiple folders. So let's see what are the triggers available. So now click on add trigger and give the trigger name and select the folder in which you want to save it. Click on save. So you have to give any rule. So first is that what conditions should apply and what actions you will perform. So in the first number you have to give the condition. Here it is says what should trigger this rule, which event should trigger this automation. So here lot of triggers are available, such as added to a campaign, appointment, birthday reminder, call status, contact DND, contact tag, custom date reminder, custom booked appointment, customer replied, email events, form submitted, note added, opportunity status changed, pipeline state changed, stale opportunities, survey submitted, task added, task reminder, trigger link clicked, Twilio validation error, two-step form, membership new sign up, offer access granted, offer access removed, product access granted, product access removed, product completed, user login. So these are the options which you can use. But for this example, we are going to select and condition called form submitted. When somebody will submit a form on your website, then you can define the filters for it. So what form it will work on? So you have to select a form. So whenever any person select a form and submit their detail, then this will happen. So now we have to See what will happen when this condition will apply. So the second is what actions should we perform. Then you can add the action. There are a lot of actions available, such as add and update opportunities, add a contact tag, add task, add to campaign, add to Google AdWords, add to Google Analytics, add to nodes, assign to user, execute webhooks, mark conversation as read, remove assigned user, remove contact tag, remove from all campaigns, remove from campaign, remove opportunity, send email, send notification, send SMS, set contact DND, stripe one-time charge, update appointment status, update contact field, membership grant offer, membership revoke offer. You can choose any of the actions here. So for this example, we are going to choose add to a campaign, and you have to select the campaign. You can also add multiple actions. Second action we can do is we can send an email. You have to give the from email ID to email ID, subject, and the message. In this way you can add multiple actions. But for this example, we are going to trigger only one action. The action will be added to a campaign. So when your customer will submit a form, then this action will happen. They will be added to a campaign. And then in order to work this, you have to make it active. So click on active, and now click on save. So now this trigger is active and you can use it. You can also duplicate this trigger, and you can also delete this trigger. And you can see the detail of your trigger from here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then if you like this video and if you have any questions, then you can ask me. And if you want 14 days free trial of available, then you can click on the link in the description and sign up from there. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.